Hello! Today, I want to tell you about one of my favorite childhood memories. When I think about my childhood, I remember many simple and happy moments. Life was different at that time. I did not worry too much. I did not think about work or stress. I just enjoyed small things every day. One memory is very special to me. It happened when I was a child, during summer vacation. At that time, I lived in a quiet neighborhood. There were many trees and small streets. Many children lived near my house. Every afternoon, we played together outside. We did not stay inside all day. We ran, laughed, and talked for hours. One summer afternoon, my friends came to my house. They called my name loudly outside. I quickly ran out of the house. I felt excited because we were going to play together. That day, the weather was sunny but not too hot. The sky was very blue. Everything looked bright and beautiful. My friends and I decided to fly a kite. One of my friends brought a colorful kite. It was red, blue, and yellow. I still remember those colors clearly. We walked together to a large open field near our neighborhood. The grass was green and soft. The wind was perfect for flying a kite. When we arrived, we became very excited. My friend held the kite, and I held the string. We started running across the field. At first, the kite did not fly well. It fell down many times. Sometimes it turned to the side. Sometimes it hit the ground. But we did not give up. We continued trying. We laughed every time the kite fell. After many tries, the wind became stronger. Suddenly, the kite went higher and higher. We shouted happily. The kite moved beautifully in the sky. I looked up and smiled. At that moment, I felt truly happy. There were no phones, no internet, no stress, just the sky, the wind, and my friends. We spent a long time playing together. Sometimes we ran, sometimes we lay on the grass and looked at the clouds. We talked about many simple things. What games we liked, what cartoons we watched, what snacks we wanted to eat. Everything felt easy and fun. After some time, we became tired and hungry, so we walked to a small shop nearby. The shop sold snacks and cold drinks. I bought a small ice cream. It was sweet and cold. I remember eating it slowly while sitting with my friends. We laughed and told funny stories. One of my friends said something very silly, and everyone started laughing loudly. Even now, when I remember that moment, I still smile. As the sun slowly went down, the sky became orange. The air became cooler. Our parents started calling us to go home. We felt a little sad because we wanted to play more, but we knew we could meet again tomorrow. Before going home, we stood together one last time. We looked at the sky quietly. The kite was still moving softly in the wind. That picture stayed in my mind forever. When I got home, my mother asked, "Did you have fun today?" I smiled and said, "Yes, very much." That night, I felt tired but happy. I slept very quickly. Years passed after that summer. No, everything is different. We are older. Everyone is busy. Some friends moved away. Some changed schools. We do not meet as often now, but those memories are still inside my heart. Sometimes, when life becomes stressful, I think about my childhood. I remember those simple days. Those memories make me feel warm and peaceful. I think childhood is special because we can find happiness in very small things. A kite in the sky, a cold ice cream, a laugh with friends. That was enough to make us happy. Today, many people are very busy. We look at our phones too much. We worry too much. Sometimes we forget how to enjoy simple moments. That is why childhood memories are important. They remind us of simple happiness. They remind us to slow down sometimes. I feel thankful for my childhood. It gave me many beautiful memories. And even though time changes everything, those memories will always stay with me. Before I finish my story, I want to ask you something. What is your favorite childhood memory? Maybe it is a game. Maybe it is a friend. Maybe it is a small moment with your family. Whatever it is, I hope it still makes you smile today. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed this memory from my childhood. See you next time.